Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create own hashtag for Instagram. Firstly, join up into your Instagram application, then just click on the plus icon on your right upper side. Then go for post, select the post, get for story or something like that, but firstly we'll go with the post. Now I will just go and pause this section, and here when I get a chance to write a caption, when I get this summation for hashtag, if I type for example hello, as you can see there are so many hashtags which are included hello, but if I type hello, there is Malaxy. As you can see, there is no hashtag related to this one. That means that this is your own hashtag. And now if you just space on it and create another hashtag, if for example you want to get up for, I don't know, for example Malaxy, and as you can see there are 43 public posts by Malaxy hashtag, and I will just add Malaxy right 7. Now as you can see, these two hashtags are mine because there are no public posts which are created before. Just go on the settings app, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.